Assalamu alaikum dear students, and welcome back to second part of our lecture on consumer behavior. And in this session we will focus on product and brand personification, self-image and cultural expression of South Punjab, and how these concepts influence the consumer decision making in real world markets. Let us begin with a deeper understanding of product and brand personification. As discussed earlier, the brand personification means giving human-like characteristics to a particular brand or product. These marketing strategies help the companies to create emotional relationship with the consumers. When a brand is described as trustworthy, modern, traditional or energetic, it becomes easier for the consumers to relate to it. For example, the brand like Coca-Cola often represent happiness and togetherness. Similarly, BMW is associated with luxury, performance and prestige. These personality associations are not accidental, they are carefully designed through advertisement, through packaging and through communication strategies. Brand personification is important because the consumers are not always consumer do not always make relational decisions. Uh, to many cases, emotional attachment plays a very stronger role than the logical evaluation. So, the brand personification help us in different ways. Now, let us connect this with the concept of self-image, which plays a very important role in consumer behavior. Self-image refers that how the individual perceives themselves in terms of their personality, attitudes, appearances and identity. The consumers often prefer products that match their self-image. This is known as this is what the self-congruity theory says, which suggests that the consumers are more likely to purchase the brands that align with how they see themselves and how they want to be seen by others. There are different types of self-image. The first is actual self-image, how the person actually sees themselves, and one other is ideal image, how the person wants to be perceived and let others see themselves in a different way. The second self-image, that how the person thinks and to be seen. Ideal social self-image is something where what the person wants to see them. The marketers very carefully analyze these dimensions to design the advertisement campaigns. For example, the luxury brands often target ideal self-image by showing the status and prestige. Now, let us move forward with a very important topic in consumer behavior, which is cultural expression of South Punjab. Cultural expression of South Punjab, culture is basically one of the strongest external influence on consumer behavior. It includes values, traditions, custom, belief, language and social norms that shapes how the people think and how they behave. In South Punjab, culture plays a central role in shaping the consumption pattern and lifestyle decisions. The cultural expression of South Punjab reflects and represents simplicity, hospitality, strong family values and deep-rooted traditions. These cultural characteristics influence what the people buy, how they buy and why they buy particular thing. For example, in southern Punjab, family gatherings and social events such as weddings and religious festivals are very important. During these occasions, customers prefer traditional clothing, cultural food items and branded gifts. This shows that the consumption is not just an individual activity but a social and cultural experience as well. Another important aspect is the preference for value-based purchasing. Consumers in southern Punjab often look for durability, affordability and trust in particular product. This means that the marketing strategies must focus on value for money rather than only the luxury or aesthetic items. Language and communication also plays a very major role. Marketing messages in local languages such as Punjabi or Urdu may be more influential and effective because they create a very emotional connection and trust. Cultural symbols, traditions, and religious values are often used to advertise or attract the local customers. In addition, word of mouth communication is very powerful in our region, which is southern Punjab. People tend to trust recommendations from family, from friends, and even from the community members more than the formal advertisement. This highlights the importance of social influence in consumer decision making. Understanding the consumer behavior, cultural behavior of the consumer is extremely important for marketers because it helps them design products and services that fit local needs. A marketing strategy that works in one region may not be effective in another region due to the cultural differences. Now, let us talk and link the culture with the consumer motivation and personality. Culture shapes the motivation by influencing the people value most. For example, in collectivist cultures like in southern Punjab, social acceptance and family approval are strong motivators. Similarly, personality traits are also influenced by cultural upbringing, education, and environment. Marketers must therefore consider both internal factors, which is motivation and personality, and external factor, which can be seen as culture and society, while analyzing the consumer behavior. And at the last, I will summarize this lecture. Uh, when we say that the consumer behavior is a complex and a combination of psychological, personal, and cultural factors, product and brand personifications help create emotional connections, and self image influences the purchases decisions, and the culture provides the social framework within the consumer unique, you can say, environment in which he or she is. By understanding these factors, the marketers can design more effective strategies, improve the consumer engagement, and can create stronger brand loyalty. With this, I conclude my lecture. Thank you very much, dear students, and Allah Hafiz.